So the Wine and Dine'm experience really it's about taking a normal, everyday cocktail event or dining event and just lifting the level. It's about the creativity and the attention to detail and the service.
All my friends are still talking about drugs, saying feels like heaven, come and feel like
We try and do things that are a little bit left of centre. We want an experience. We want to give our clientele and the people of Brisbane predominantly, something to talk about. I like nothing better than to, as we serve the food out, to come out and have a look at people's reactions. Our job is to give people that extra level of experience and obviously service with our front of house team.
no idea what I'm looking for. They're all losing their minds behind the closed
A business is built on providing an exceptional level of service, innovative and really interesting menus. It's about really showing the passion of the professionals who work at Wine and Dine'm. We have an amazing team. What we do is we have a team of professionals who have worked in off-site catering for a very long time. So I think we see things more clearly, and it's that depth of experience that really shows in our product.
It feels like heaven, come and feel like us. It feels like heaven, come and feel like us.
Our thoughts on food, trying to be as progressive as possible. We want to push the boundaries. We want to deliver something that isn't catering food. It's not just canapes. It's an actual experience.